How to link your Google Voice number to your mobile number. First of all, open the Google Voice app and go to voice.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you are signed in, tap the menu icon in the top left corner and go to Settings. Scroll down to the section labeled Link Numbers and tap New Link Number. A pop-up will appear asking you to enter the mobile number you want to link. Type in your active number and tap Send Code. Now check your text messages for a 6-digit verification code. Once you receive it, go back to the Google Voice screen and enter the code to verify your number. After entering the correct code, your number will be linked to your Google Voice account. From this point on, any calls or text made to your Google Voice number can be forwarded to your linked mobile number. You can also choose to receive voicemail alerts and manage how calls are routed under the same settings. Now you know how to link your Google Voice number to your mobile number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.